Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew peas with chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken, 1 cup of dried red peas, and a selection of fresh seasonings. This includes fresh thyme, a few scallions, several cloves of garlic, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic flavor. Make sure all your ingredients are washed and chopped, ready for the next steps. Now, let's prepare our chicken. Season your 2 pounds of chicken pieces generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite blend of herbs and spices. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Carefully add the seasoned chicken and brown it on all sides until it achieves a beautiful golden color. Once browned, remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside. With the chicken set aside, it's time for the peas. If you haven't already, soak 1 cup of dried red peas overnight, then boil them until they are tender. In the same pot where you brown the chicken, sauté your chopped onions, garlic, and scallions until fragrant. Then, add 1 can of coconut milk, about 2 cups of water, and your tender cooked peas to form the rich stew base. Now, return the browned chicken to the pot with the peas and stew base. Add your fresh thyme sprigs and the whole Scotch bonnet pepper, being careful not to burst it. Let the stew simmer gently for about 45 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve your delicious stew peas with chicken hot, alongside rice or dumplings. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.